So first try to log in. Just click on this. Enter your credentials here. Make you your user ID and password. Set chart guard small 2000 at gmail.com and enter your password. And just click on login. So it will get logged in. So once after logs in, just remember carefully. So at the time of searching for the job, first just click for the ServiceNow developer. And if you see here, we will be having multiple options on all the fields over here. So if you want to check any location, you can check for the location. If you don't want to have any location specific, then just go down to the bottom of the page. And we are having an option here called freshness. This is the important thing over here. So just click on this. Just try to go for the last 1 day. Why? Because the companies will be very fast, these people. If you are an immediate joiner, they will show you the interest actually. So you need to open it. Don't check whether it is an ITOM, whether it is an HRSD, whether it is whatever it is. Just try to open it and just try to apply. That's it. You should not do anything else. If you want to go to the company site as well, no problem at all. You can apply. So for the first time when you are trying to apply, just at the time of entering your Aadhaar card or PAN card, just give the wrong credentials. Okay, if the your ID is like let us try for example your PAN card is having around so let's take for example the PAN card ID is like BHHPM 8950 is your PAN card. Just try to give the wrong one. Yeah, just numerics. Don't try to change the alphabets. Okay, just try to size 0 actually. So it will be there in this format. So BHHPM. So 89 give it as 05J. So just try to arrange only one small mistake over there. So you need to do it wantedly. Why? Because if there will be some companies where they will won't hire you once the interview is finished. So that's the reason. So once after finish that, we again come bottom of the page and we are having the freshness. Let's just try to go for the last 3 days and apply the same thing. Just open it in a new Windows. Just click on Control and click on Mouse. So and then just try to do the same thing again. Don't see whatever it is. So just apply. So give the all those details and just apply it. Okay. So these are all the main things you need to do it on daily basis, not only the 1 day. So go to last 7 days. Again apply the same thing. Go to again. Sorry. Go again for the last 15 days and then last 30 days. So don't be idle as you uploaded your uh, resume in your Naukri. And one more thing is like you just need to view and update it. So daily try to remember. So it's not around 95 is not fine. It's fine actually. It's around 75 is also fine. So yeah, always try to remember. Just try to update your resume on daily basis. So just try to save for now. There is no updated resume. So just try to check. This is the name, and this will be the resume headline. The you can copy the your resume, and you need to give the key skills as these things. And if you want to add some more, also you can add it actually. So whatever the I think she filled it. So yeah, service request. We have changed. We do have service level agreements. So just click on service now. Service delivery. So whatever it is, just try to do it and just try to save it. And we do have an employment. It's fine. This is fine. IT skills is fine. So projects, no need to add. So all these things, that's fine. The IT skills, let us check the IT skill also. In the resume. I think she has done the so just try to update this resume on daily basis. Okay, don't try to forget it. So definitely you have to update every day. At least a single line needs to get added. If you don't know how to resume, just try to go to the ChatGPT and just say that just put a keyword stating that just give me a single line to update my resume. In as a ServiceNow developer, so he will be giving multiple lines. You just need to copy that and paste it in the resume and first delete it and then upload the same. Profile summary having 3 plus. Okay, would say 3 plus. Let us try to give 5 plus. And showcase your customers. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Presentation is fine. Everything is career profile is fine. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So resume headline. So just a minute. I can give it resume headline. We can change it. Try to update this one. Like this is CMDB, custom equipment solutions. Just click integrations. Right top. So why? Because this will they will be seeing this HRSD. Just give whatever it is. We at last we need to have a they need to pick up our resume. So that's it. So HRSD and custom solutions. That's it. So yeah, I do have multiple things, but just keep it on. So always try to remember only two things we need to do it over here. First, on daily basis, we need to apply for sure before 9 a.m. in the morning, or else before 11 a.m. in the morning. You have to upload it for sure. And one more thing, you need to update the resume and you need to go to the search for the companies first again. Search for the companies as a service now developer. That's it. Just give it this like this and then go to the freshness and apply. That's it. Just go for the last one day for first. Why? Because they will be very keen in hiring you. Okay, done. Thank you so much for your time.